and welcome to my kitchen. We are here another day for another brilliant, easy, tasty, fast recipe. And today is the turn of cocadas or coconut macaroons. I used to love these very much in Spain, and when I realized that you also have them here in the UK, I was extremely happy. And now that I know how to make them, I want to share it with you. This is a brilliant recipe to do with your children because it's very easy, it's very quick, and they will love them. So, I already have the flour, sifted flour in the bowl, and I'm going to add a pinch of salt, and I'm going to mix it. And the next step is going to be adding the desiccated coconut, and we're going to add the whole thing onto the bowl. We're going to mix it again, and once that this is mixed, what we are going to do, we are going to add the condensed milk, and I'm happy to report that I found vegan condensed milk. So if any of you are wondering, if you didn't know, there is such thing as vegan condensed milk. One thing that I was looking for was ricotta cheese, but I couldn't find anything vegan in ricotta cheese. If you know where I can find vegan ricotta cheese, I would be very grateful, because one of my friends have sent me a recipe, an amazing recipe for a cheesecake, type American cheesecake, but it's made with ricotta cheese, and I would preferably have it as vegan cheese. But anyway, we are mixing. See how quick this is? We mix these until we get a sticky dough. Make sure you mix everything. And once that we are doing these, we're also going to add our teaspoon of vanilla essence. And we do our teaspoon of vanilla essence. I love vanilla essence. There's not many things I don't love or I don't like. And if it's sweet, then it's even better. So here we go. It's almost ready. And now what we are going to do, we're going to put little spoonfuls of this mix onto a baking tray, and then we'll stick it in the oven. How quick and how fun is that? Children will love this. My children certainly do. And as I said, we all love eating them. Right then, so what we're going to do, as I said, just put spoonfuls of the mix on a baking tray. I always line mine up because my baking trays have seen better days. So it is better if I cover them. I'm sure many of you have the same problem. So in this batch, I got 25 cocadas in total. And I'm going to stick them in the oven for 15 minutes, 180 degrees. 15 minutes because my oven is a fan oven. Your oven may need 20 minutes. Just check on minute 10, on minute 15, etc. just to make sure they don't get burned, because they are really delicious. When they start browning on top, just take them out. And then here we have them. They're quite toasty. They're looking toasty and lovely. They smell really nice. So the last step is we need to put them in a cooling rack and let them to cool down before we taste them. And believe you me, these are really nice. If you like this recipe and all the others in the channel, please subscribe, share, give us a like, and most important of all, cook it, eat it, enjoy it, be happy, and share the love for food with others. Thank you so much. Take care, all of you. I'll see you on the next video. Remember, 3 videos every week. Thank you. Bye.